Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to create dynamic lists and detail screens in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, open the app where you want to create dynamic lists. Now click on the screen where you want the list to appear. From the left Components panel, drag a custom list or simple list onto the screen. Once the list is added, connect it to the correct database collection. Now select the fields you want to show, such as title, image, or description. Once that's done, click on one list item to open its settings. Now find the link option and select Link to Screen. Click on Create New Screen to generate a detail screen automatically. Adalo will now connect the list item to the detail screen. Open the new detail screen and add text, images, or other components. Link each component to the correct database field. Once that's done, your dynamic list and detail screen are ready. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.